Integra. Enhance workplace cleanliness with Integra's Touchpoint cleaning services. Are you tired of worrying about the cleanliness and hygiene of your business premises? In today's world, maintaining a clean and sanitized environment is more important than ever. Not only to protect the health of your employees and customers, but it can also help to improve your business's reputation and overall success. Integra are here to help. As a leading provider of Touchpoint cleaning and hygiene services, we offer a comprehensive range of solutions to ensure your business is always clean, safe, and compliant. Here's how Integra can help your business. Protocol guidance. Our experts can help you develop and implement effective hygiene protocols that meet industry standards and regulations. Hand hygiene. We provide hand hygiene solutions, including the installation and maintenance of hand sanitizing stations. Chemical selection and application. We carefully select and apply high-quality cleaning chemicals that are safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. Touchpoint and hard surface cleaning. For thoroughly clean and disinfected high-touch surfaces, including door handles, countertops, and workspaces. Cold and thermal disinfection. We offer advanced disinfection techniques, including cold fogging and thermal disinfection, to eliminate harmful pathogens. Spray and foam disinfection. We provide targeted disinfection of specific areas using spray and foam technology. Vehicle and vessel disinfection. We can disinfect your vehicles and vessels to ensure they are clean and safe for use. Chemical dispensing and equipment. We offer a range of chemical dispensing systems and equipment to streamline your cleaning processes. By choosing Integra, you can be confident that your business is in safe hands. Our team of experienced professionals are committed to providing exceptional service and ensuring that your premises meet the highest standards of cleanliness and hygiene. Contact us today to learn more about how Integra can help your business.